All right, I have one question asked a lot. When I get a pool remodeled, what does it consist of? What does it look like to have the pool replastered? How does it happen? This is the day of chipping out the pool, okay? The pool got drained yesterday, and today we're chipping it out, just getting started. So let me show you. All right, so this is the pool I'm showing you. We got the demo done, all the plaster's gone, tiles gone, found some bad shotcrete and our old gunite. We're fixing that, and then the tile goes on next. So that's the next step. Okay, so I'm back on the job in Dana Point, and the tile's coming along good. This was a great idea. This situation here with the wood tile, that was an old automatic pool cover box. It had a funky area we didn't know what to do with, so we actually put wood tile over the top of it to fill it in and make up that difference area, and it actually looks great. And we have that tile going in. That's actually a porcelain tile. It looks like glass, but it's actually porcelain. So almost wrapping it up, but it's gonna look pretty awesome here soon. Okay, the finished product is in. What do you think? The before and after. This looks really nice. The wood tile deck is in. I got tile on them. The white plaster is in. It has the existing coping, that didn't change, but all new plaster, new tile. And we actually tiled in the whole top step because that used to be automatic cover box across here and here. So we filled it in, tiled it, and then tiled this ledge here with a wood looking tile right here. So I love it. Homeowner loves it too, which is even better. So I'm here with Francesca, a new homeowner and friend. We just finished her pool and she loves it, I think. But let's see what she has to say.
Love our pool. Absolutely gorgeous work. Look how beautiful it looks. Very professional. Did everything on time. Perfect. And Jeff is amazing. And all the guys who came were very professional and quick and did what they were supposed to do. And now I have a beautiful pool.